Hello, hello, Andrea Twarowski here with Dentalelle Mobile Hygiene. So I've been getting a lot of questions about seniors. So seniors and what do I do when I go to nursing homes and clean their teeth? So I've been getting a lot of questions actually from dental assistants and other dental hygienists who actually want to work with me. But the question always is, well, what do you do? Do you just go in and clean their teeth? Like what if they don't have teeth? What if they have a full set of dentures? Then what do you do? Well, even if somebody's 85 or 95, it doesn't matter. Cleaning somebody's teeth is a need, it's just something that has to be done. Just because somebody's 95, it doesn't mean you don't make sure they're as clean as possible. You wouldn't say to them, well, I'm not going to give you a shower today because you're 95, like who cares? You're not going to do that. And I talk about teeth cleaning and something as simple as taking a shower as the same thing. You always have to be cleaning your, self and cleaning your teeth also. So even if you're 95, it's still so important for them to have their teeth cleaned. And there's a couple reasons why. The main thing is that if they don't get their teeth cleaned, that plaque, that tartar can sit there, and that can make them a lot sicker than they already are, because plaque harbors a lot of bacteria. And nurses in nursing homes just don't have the time, unfortunately, to sit there and clean somebody's teeth, especially a senior who might not like it and is pushing them away, telling them, no, leave me alone, because they have their moods, depending, right? They might not have time to come back and try again later. So oftentimes, which again is so sad, but seniors' teeth, their oral health are not taken care of. So that's where I come in. I come in to at least make sure, hopefully at least every 3 months, they are having their teeth cleaned, because it's not being looked at every day. Imagine your teeth if you didn't touch them for 3 months. Imagine how much would be there. Your teeth, your gums around the teeth would be in so much pain because there's so much plaque and there's so much tartar. So your senior, person, your mom, dad, whoever, they might be in pain, but they might not know why. They might not be able to tell you, well, my mouth hurts or my tooth hurts. And quite often it's because there's just so much plaque, so much tartar, that it's starting to eat away even through the tooth. So I like to go in to make sure that their teeth is nice, are nice and clean. Plus, it's nice to be able to talk to them so that they can look forward to seeing me. It's somebody to talk to, because oftentimes as well, their caregivers, their mom, dad, sister, brother, whoever, doesn't have time to see them all the time. If they live out of town, they might get a visit once a month, maybe twice a month. Whereas at least I'm another person that they can look forward to seeing. So I, talk to them. We do have a nice time. Half the time they even fall asleep in the chair when I'm cleaning their teeth. So that means they must be pretty comfortable, right? But I do like to make sure that their teeth are nice and clean. Plus, sorry guys, I just had something on my lip there. Plus, if I come in even every 3 months, if things just still don't look good, there's so much plaque, so much tartar every time I come in, then I like to see them every month. So a little bit at a time, every single month. So at least I am able to get in there. So I clean their teeth, I polish them, everything, to get them as clean and as healthy as possible. And sometimes even as I'm cleaning, there's so much plaque that I see a cavity under the plaque. And then I'll mention that to the nurses and say, I'm pretty sure they do now have a cavity. So I suggest you bring a dentist to come in to, take care of that, because they can easily fix a cavity. But they wouldn't have known they had a cavity because the plaque was laying over top and it was so thick. that patient could be in pain, because the more a cavity eats away, it can hit the nerve, and that causes pain. So you don't want to just leave them alone, think, well, they're 85, 95, they'll be fine. No, they won't be fine, because it harbors, like plaque just harbors so much bacteria. The things that I see would shock you. You know, inside the mouth, you need to keep it as clean as possible. It's a lot harder when somebody's in a nursing home, but that's why I am here to help. And they just like seeing somebody, you know, talking to somebody, it just makes a big, big difference. Even if they don't have a lot of teeth left, you want to keep those teeth healthy, because if those teeth get infected, if the gums around the teeth get infected, that's a lot of pain. And then you have to try to talk to that senior patient and say, I know you're in pain, but now we have to take the tooth out because the gums just look so bad. It's a lot easier for them to have the teeth cleaned, to have the teeth maintained, than to say, okay, your teeth look horrible, we need to pull them all. You know, like that would be horrible. So you don't want to do that. So a lot of people think like, okay, I'm not really sure like what to do. My mom doesn't have a lot of teeth left. Should she still have her teeth cleaned? Yes. But the good news is that it shouldn't take me as long, so it costs even less. It depends on the person. Some people have so much plaque, even on 3 or 4 teeth, where it takes me the same amount of time. And it depends on the patient too. You know, if they're not having a good day, it might take them some time to get used to me. But it does just help everybody so much. Everybody should have their teeth cleaned just to be as healthy as possible, if that makes sense. So let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.